Hello, everyone. Welcome. Today in the daily newspaper of Thursday, May the 2nd, 2024. We have here three regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, and the Tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve. Those are the letter Sudokus, 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 Jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, not interested. Total 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. But right now, I will start with the regular puzzles. And what's the news of today? Well, I've heard that Russians are using chemical weapons in the war against Ukraine. Yes, against Ukraine. It will be a filthy war, same as the war in Israel. War is war here, how filthy it is, but let me continue with the puzzles. Enough about war news. This will be number 8466. 8466. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 26 printed digits. 26. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 26. Should be at 2 stars. 2 stars puzzle. I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. But it's indicated with 3 stars, and for 3 stars I need 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this 3 stars or a 2 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Alright. Let me see which number can I pick. The 7 in the first column, the 7 in the second column, so the third column. The only place level 7 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the third. In the second column. So no 2 in these 3 boxes. 1 box level 2 in this big square should be there. So 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of them, those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. Well, we have a 4 in this row, no 4. They have 4 in the second row, no 4. There's the only place level 4. I should be there. The 5, the 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes and there. Alright. Then, let me see. 2, 4. 4, 4. 2, 2. And I need a 9 here. 9, 9. Need a 3. And I need a 4. 4, 4. 7. Come on. 5 in this row. 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row. The only 2 places left on 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. Need 8 here. Alright. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. I need a 6 here. 2 in this column, first column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left of the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2, 2. 4, 4, 4. 6, 6. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left of 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the last row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And we have a pair, the 2 and 8 in the last row, the 2 and the 8 in a row above, so in that row. Only 2 places left of 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. The 8 in the last column, the 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places left of 8 should be here, here, or there. We have an 8 in the third row, no 8 there. 8 in the second row, no 8 there. The only place left of 8 should be there. 3. Alright. 8 in this row. Oh, we have a pair again. The 7 and 8 in this row. The 7 and 8 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left of the 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 7 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left of the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the second row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And with all the 8s and all the 8s are used, I can see digit number 1, number 8. Okay. Alright. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left of the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5, 5. And the 5 here. And the 5 there. Alright. The 1 here. Need a 2 here. Need a 2 there. 6, 1. I'm thinking. Need a 4 here, need a 4 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 6. We have a 4 and a 6 in this column, so no 4 and a 6 in these 3 boxes. 4 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Alright. 3 and the 4. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2. 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 in the second column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 and the 9. 9 and the 3. Need a 4 here. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left of the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4, 4, okay. 4, 4, cannot continue with 4 now. These 3 missing numbers in the first column are the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 6. That means 1 digit left in this big square for number 9 here. Okay, 9, 9 here, 9, okay. 1, 3, 6. Yeah. 6, 9, 6, 6. Need a 6 there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 in this box. Here's 6 in the second row, no 6 in that box. So the 6 in this big square could be here. Could be there. 6 in this column, 6 in one of those two boxes in the middle column. So the column next, the only place level 6 should be there. So 3 and a 9 are left. 3 and a 9, okay. 3, 3, 3. Need a 9 there. 3, 9, 6. And the 2 is missing. 2. 2, 2, 2. 2 and the 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and the 9, 2 and the 9. We have a 2 in the middle row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 9 goes there. 3, 3. Need a 9 here. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. No 1 goes there. 1, 3, 6. Here. 3 in this. 2 missing numbers in the middle row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. 3 goes there. So the other two numbers in this big square are the numbers 1 and a 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left with 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left with 9 should be there. I need a 2. I need a 6 here. And I need a 4 here. 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. Okay. 9 and the 3. 2 missing numbers in the second row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left. The 9 in this row, the 9 in the second row, from the third row. The only place left of 9 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 6, so the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. On that column, the only place left of 2 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places left. The 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7. 6 and the 7. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left now in this column for number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And we have a 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places left of the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then 5 in this column, last column, 5 in that column, so the column between. The only place left of 5 should be there, and the last 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there, finished in 14 minutes. Well. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I'll see you in a minute with other two regular puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.